Hi, my early birds. How are you today? I hope you're all doing well. Uh, there's a special day is coming up. It's Mother's Day. So, do you guys have any plan for your mom? My son used to make up breakfast and bring it to bed for me. And sometimes I draw the pictures and make a card. And he said, I love you, Mom. So, today I'm gonna read a book. It calls Mommy, Do You Love Me? So the book is pretty big, so I'm going to read and then I'll show you the picture. Mommy, do you love me? Asked Little Chick. I love you more than words can ever say, said his mommy. And she gave him a peck on the cheek. But will you always love me, even if I look like this? And he chipped and he made a funny face. Yes, she said, you'll always be beautiful to me. Just to make sure, Little Chick found the muddiest puddle on the farm and jumped in it. Oh no. You think Mom's gonna get mad at him? Let's see. When he came back and he was covered from head to tail in muck. Mommy, he said, do you still love me even where I'm muddy? Yes, she said, you're still my sweet little chick underneath, and she made him all fluffy again. Just then, a Little Chick's friends came over, and they had a race. Little Chick didn't win. Mommy, he said, do you still love me even though I came in the last place? Yes, said his mom. You always come in first place with me. And she gave him a red rose, and Little Chick ran to show his friends. The friends said, your mommy must really love you, they said. But on the way home, and he dropped the rose, and all the petals fell off. Oh no, he's sad. Probably he thinks Mom is going to get mad at him. Mommy, he cheeped, do you still love me, even though I ruined my rose? Yes, she said, rose doesn't last long, but my love for you will last forever. And she put her wing around him. How nice, he likes to cuddle. And Little Chick was so happy to be loved that Chip and he tripped and he crowed. Very, very loudly. Oh boy. Please be quiet, said his mommy, but Little Chick wouldn't, and he shrieked and screeched and squawked even louder. And his mommy tried again. Please be quiet, Little Chick. Mommy's getting angry. But Little Chick wouldn't listen, and he just kept shouting louder and louder. So his mommy shouted back, please be quiet, Little Chick. And Little Chick couldn't believe his ears. His mommy had shouted at him. Didn't she love him anymore? He was so upset that he ran away and hid his head under his wing, and his mommy came looking for him. "What's wrong, little chick?" she said. "Mommy," he cried, "do you still love me even when I'm bad?" "Little chick," she said, "sometimes you make me mad and sometimes you make me sad. But no matter what you say or do, I will always love you." "Why?" asked Little Chick. "Because I'm your mommy," she said. "I love you too," he said. "Ah," said his mommy, but will you always love me, even if I look like this?" And she made a funny face. How funny. Look at that. Little Chick laughed and laughed. "Mommy," he said, "sometimes you make me mad, sometimes you make me sad. But no matter what you say or do, I will always love you." "Why?" asked his mommy. "Because I'm your little chick," he said. There you go. And he got on his mommy's back and they are walking away. So if your mom gets mad at you sometimes, or if gets sad, or if sometimes we might have to raise our voice, but just because she loves you, she wants best for you. Do you learn and you be safe or whatever? So make a plan for your mom. You can draw the picture, you can make a little card and put the heart on it and you say, "I love you, Mom." Do whatever you like to do. It's a special day. All right. And don't forget to say Happy Mother's Day. All right. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed this book. And I see you guys later and have a beautiful day. Bye.